Hey, good afternoon. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. If this video is helpful, please like, share. Most of all, subscribe to my page. Send me nice comments. I really dig them. Thank you so much. If you want to reach out to me, you can hit me up on Facebook under Clay's AC and Auto Repair in Grand Rapids. So what we got today is a 2012 GMC Terrain. This is probably going to be identical for any GMC Terrain, Chevy Equinox, and maybe the Saturn version of this vehicle. Actually, I don't think they made a Saturn version of this particular body style, but anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to open up the back door. We can't get the rear hatch open. The electrical portion's probably broken. On mine I can, but I actually had somebody reach out to me on another video I made and ask me how you do this, so that's why I'm making this for you. We're going to put down the rear seat, crawl in, and you're going to see I already popped the little bubble out of there, and that's that black piece. I just used a screwdriver, popped it out of there, and then hopefully you can see that hole that's in there. It's going to stick your finger in there and push it to the side, and you're going to push a little pin. You can do it with the screwdriver if you like, and then push up. Super simple. So send me them nice comments, subscribe to my page, share my videos. We really appreciate it. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too. Don't be the next to them, be the first to you. Have a great day.